You can also come in front. Okay, so that's easier. Okay, that's it. You're doing great.
Well, this is not at all how I thought you did pasta.
Okay, great. And now, when it's more or less like this, you start. Wait, okay. You start doing this and start to
Shake
work
it in.
Work
Okay.
it like this, okay?
Okay.
And to squeeze a little bit, okay? And then as soon as you start to squeeze it like this and to put together the flour little by little, okay? So it's like left and right and knead a little bit, okay?
Okay.
And also pour you a little
Ooh, it's
bit of
getting-
water.
Yeah, it's a little dry.
Yes.
Does the water need to be room temperature?
Yes.
Yes,
Also
okay.
the eggs.
Uh-huh.
Oh, the eggs. Oh, okay.
Everything is room temperature, yeah.
Yes.
Before it's
Uh-huh,
alright.
yeah.
A pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt? Is
Yes.
that flakes? What type of salt?
Thin.
Just not kosher.
No.
Okay. And now some olive oil.
That's original.
Ah, the secret ingredient, of course.
Would you like to stand close?
No, this is fine. I think I'm okay. So, of course, I would be getting sick at this time. So,
Now, which olive oil did you put in?
the good one.
Yes.
Is it an EVO? Is it an EVO or is
Yes, yes.
it's
Oh,
an
yes,
EVO?
original
Okay.
oil.
Okay.
Yes, that's it.
We'll get the
Now
voice
it's
in here too.
Probably.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. See, she goes left, right like that. Yeah. See that technique?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to see that technique.
Yeah, I was not going back and forth.
And then we add some more water. Okay. This is nice. And now it's hard job doing this a little bit of time. And let's see, we add a little bit of water.
Again, the water is room temp, and a little bit more of the EVO, the organic EVO from this
course.
region.
IGP Tuscany.
I'm just talking into the video.
So that gives the pasta flavor.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Olive oil. What a big board.
Yes.
Yeah, I
And
like
you
the
know,
board too.
It has a little secret. It has a stop here so that even if I put effort, it doesn't move away.
Mm.
Okay. Now I just use a little bit of flour.
Look at that.
That's it. Now I think it's. You
Jeez.
did an excellent job. Yes, it's true. Now I just add a little bit of flour so it doesn't get so
Now, what type of flour is that?
organic. Oh.
Organic OO? Can I just
Yes.
see the bag too? Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
And when it's like this, we can do it some more times like this if you'd like.
Some more. Okay.
Okay. Feel the consistency so you know.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Is it like a pie?
Yeah, a little stiffer.
A little stiffer than a pie? Okay. I just don't want to touch it because I said
But
it must be.
feels nice.
Feels nice?
It's a little stiffer than pie, but it's...
Oh, this is going to be up for a Grammy, this video.
but you don't need it like that.
I show you also if you'd like to do it at home. You squeeze and knead. Squeeze and
Okay.
knead.
All right, that's like a
Okay.
soda bread. Okay,
Yeah.
that's how I need soda bread. Okay.
And then we cut it because otherwise it's too big to cook it before. So it's easier. You have to drink some wine. Okay. And now we start to open it little by little. Which kind of pasta would you like to do?
What are the options?
So I would suggest you probably 1 or 2 types, so you can
Okay.
see 2 different things, and we start to open it slowly by slowly. Okay, and then go this way, and then let's open it. Okay. Would you like, or would you like me to do it a little bit? You just ask,
I'll try.
okay? Okay. Great.
You're gonna hate me, Ellen.
How are we doing?
How thin does it?
A little bit more.
A little bit more.
Okay.
Tagliatelle, penne, linguine.
We could do.
You could do all of those out of that?
We could do them.
A
So
rigatoni.
I would suggest you to do tagliatelle.
Yeah.
So it's a long.
Yeah, right.
Very
Yeah.
nice. And then we could do, for example, bow ties.
Bow ties.
Bow ties.
Ooh, yes. Oh,
Something that maybe.
farafel? Farafel, is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Farfalle.
Oh, fusilli? Fusilli?
A little bit more,
Okay.
and then we stop. When you are tired, I can manage. Okay. So that one help you, but if you like the traditional one, it's here.
That is, oh, the traditional one doesn't roll, yeah.
I have,
Try.
Yeah,
I have these at home.
yeah.
too. I have a rolling pin my grandfather made me on the
Yeah.
lathe. It's small, and
Nice.
it's kind of skinny, but it's my favorite.
It's nice. You know, my father built this table.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, and he put like the initial parts.
Uh-huh.
Ginevra, Stefani.
Oh,
Oh.
how nice, how nice.
Great.
It's gonna be on YouTube, Ellen. Private
Let's be
audience.
Serious.
Only people with the link can
Okay,
see
I had
it.
it all in my hands and I didn't
If
even
you'd
know
like,
it.
you can also wash here.
Okay.
Otherwise,
That's fine. I'll be fine. I'll just, you don't need to
She's
fuss.
not done yet, she's
I'll
not
just
done.
go wash
this
it.
is real marble.
I know, it's lovely.
It's a bit historic, everything, but you know.
Yeah, you have to put a lot of energy into that.
That's why we keep very fit.
Yeah, a lot of upper body strength.
Okay.
Making it thinner. Oh, yeah, you
Yeah,
made it more
just a
thinner.
little, just a
Somebody
little.
do it harder.
So when you are more or less at this thickness, you can just, to do the tagliatelle, you can just cut them like this. Now I take you the other knife so it's better because it doesn't scratches. But you can cut it like this, okay? Otherwise I show you a smart method. where you roll like this.
Loosely, okay.
Okay, and then you cut it.
Oh, much faster.
Okay,
Ah,
so go on if you'd like. I suggest you this because it's better to cut.
Nice going, Alex. Nice going.
Okay. Are you retired?
I am.
Working.
Yes. So now we're gonna just open up a little pasta shop.
Yeah, of course. You have to. Now you learn our secrets. I send you good stuff and you cook it.
And we don't even have to buy those pasta making machines.
That's right.
Yeah.
You know how it's called in Italian? The pasta machine? It's nonna papera, so like duck grandma. It's her
Dr.
proper-
Grandma.
Yeah, it's her proper name. I don't know why.
Okay, so you're putting the water in. Anything in the water?
No, for the moment, no. As
Okay.
soon- Okay, and these are our tagliatelle. Very proud of it. And you keep it here, just to dry
Yeah.
it.
Another one. Don't think you're done yet. Yeah.
Yes, but I help you, so I just squeeze it a little bit and then, okay, and then you'll be back.
I didn't realize it had to be so thin.
Yeah.
Which kind of pasta would you usually buy in the US?
I buy capellini for meat sauce and tagliatelle for bolognese.
She's much better cook.
I buy penne, rigate, rigatoni. What else do I buy? The butterfly one.
Fusilli? Ah, okay.
Fusilli I buy too. And then the really tiny one for soup and
Yeah.
soups.
Tagliolini? No. Capelli d'angelo.
It's D-I-T, Ditalini?
Ditalini.
Yeah. So,
I bet it. And then I buy some of the tight curly ones.
Fusilli, so.
And
that's fusilli, right? Fusilli, the
yeah.
curly ones, yeah. The fusilli is nice because the sauce,
Goes in, huh?
yeah, holds on to the,
In Italy we also have, I don't have it at home, I think so. You see, this is to do pesto.
Oh yeah.
Now I have
Yeah.
bracelet, otherwise I forgot
Yeah.
to. But we have also this, I love them, which are shells.